Hello, my name is Lars Heiselberg from Denmark. Some time ago I got inspired along with the climate challenge awareness, and I created a new logo called People and Nature, One Nation, One Team, because the perspectives we see challenges from matters in what actions we will take, what behavior we will have in the future. And that's what COP15 in Copenhagen is about. When we walk and move, we think differently, and we also have a much better connection to our body. For the COP15 meeting, I have the hope that some of the meetings will be held outside in the nature. In my daily life, in coaching and team building, I bring people to the nature if they want to be there. Because when we go to the nature, we have the symbols of growth, flexibility, there's lots of energy, and we can even see flow. And this energy helps results and answers to come forward. In the nature we can find great resource pictures that can help us to find the way, like for example solving the great problematics or challenges with the climate. Like the small river here in the beginning has difficulties finding the way, but if we look a little bit further down, it opens up, it becomes wide and have great flow. The nature is a great helper for us humans to find answers. So if any of you climate delegates would like to have inspirations and find answers, I have an empty seat and will be happy when you come join me.